Happy Monday at Southbay. We have J&D's Beach. We're doing Q60 fenders for our homie Instagram, Allergic to Poverty. So tell us about your car.
What's there to say, man? Fucking.
I see the hood though. That's crazy.
Yep.
1 of 1.
It's 1 of 1. Nah, it's probably like 1 of 3.
And so yeah, we're getting some fenders for it to complete the whole front end. He has the bumper, Blitz bumper, correct?
Blitz bumper, yeah.
Blitz bumper. Angel over here unboxing them.
Check them out, check them out, check them out, check them out.
Put them up, put them up. So right now we're gonna drill the holes bigger on the little brackets. So to put on the fenders, first step, bumper has to come off completely. Angel getting the top bolts, Jay getting the ones under the fender liner. Bumper's almost off. Our Blitz bumper, you gotta be really careful taking it off.
Got it? Check it out,
Jay took off the fog light harness. Fender's looking good.
Check me out, bro. Got all the clips in.
Ooh. That came from the OEM?
Yeah.
OEM fenders got these little plastic things to hold the clips so you don't have to like rip your fenders.
We got the good washers. All fucking pigment shit. Look, good washers.
Good wash.
Nut and bolts.
So fenders are off, they're drilled, are they ready to be put on or what?
Yeah, you just gotta take up the right side. Should be good.
Oh, I didn't even see that. So yeah. One more fender, but all the carbon ones are basically all drilled out, ready to be put on. If you are from LA County, especially like El Monte area, we do have our discounted prices for all these parts. So these are mainly like shipping damages, little scuffs, scratches. We have all these wings from G37s, Q50, Q60. We have our grills. We have the full replacements, and we do have our outlines right here. We have a lot of stuff we still gotta clean, but as of right now, we have 3 trunks, 2 Q60s, and a Q50 one right here. We have all of these fenders we still gotta clean out, buff out, assess all the damage, but yeah, man. Pull up El Monte, Southbay Autoworkz. You might find something you'd like for a steal. Probably best spec for a red sport. That signature, like bluish gray with the red guts. Bro even has retros.
It's getting my dirty ass interior. That's for sale.
For sale.
For sale, for sale.
How much will you sell?
Cheap.
Cheap.
20, bring 20 right now.
Cheap.
For the whole car?
Yeah.
It's 20 a fair price?
Give me some 11 low retros. I got you.
There you go. 11 low retros.
Hey, take advantage, you get a new fender.
Passenger fenders off. So, let me see. You take these off the bottom and you put them on. Yep.
These 3 too.
Oh, these 3 too. And you put them on the new fender.
You gotta transfer everything over.
Transfer everything.
It's almost there, bro. Almost there. You gotta get everything lined up. Yeah.
Métalo.
Métalo. It's so tight. It's so tight. Not very good. Tying the fender to the headlight bracket support.
Little thing we do when we pull on fenders, we tape this edge just to see if we try to adjust the fitment, make sure we don't rub right here, there, and up here.
I see more.
We didn't rub though, right? We didn't rub?
No, no rubbing.
No rubbing, no rubbing.
Don't you look at that?
Would you look at that?
Perro.
Fucking professional installers or what?
That fitment.
Check me out, check me out.
Ready for the next one?
No. That hood shipped to my front door was too right.
Hey, why don't you get a carbon? Why don't you get a carbon engine bay?
Eventually, I know that you guys sell it, right?
Yeah.
Hey, we don't have one right there?
So we're checking fitment on the passenger side.
Try it one more time.
Tapes off, that means fitment is A1. Gaps all even. Right now we're focusing on the front end. So basically both sides by the door area, they're pretty good. That one I think's all the way in. All that's left is this side where the headlight is. And then it's just a matter of slapping on the bumper.
I should check the film. Oh yeah. I need to kick the bitch down. Yeah, casi entro.
How's it looking for?
It's there, a little better. It's almost there.
Almost there, almost there. Probably like the smallest bit of adjusting, but we're getting there. All right, both fenders are on. Fitment looks pretty good.
Even both sides.
Even both sides. You happy?
Hell yeah.
Hey, you satisfied?
Huh?
It's good fitment?
Hell yeah, fitment is perfect.
You don't see that? You don't see that?
Hey, their opinion don't matter, dog.
It's the driver. How do you like it? How do you like it? You're the driver.
Check it
Time
out.
to take them out.
You're the driver. How do you like it?
Southbay install on point.
On point.
That's his
Installers right here. So what's next? What's next?
Slap on back the bumper back.
Slap on the bumper and
Cuts for the plastics.
oh yeah.
Do that one, the side. I'm gonna turn the tires, and then I gotta do the bottom mud flaps, and that's just pretty.
So
Yeah, check me out.
he has to turn the tires so he get access to the bolt right here where the fenders meet, but on that side. See right here. Has to get the bolt in this little hole right here. Not in bolt, not in bolt.
Not in both. That's all we do right here. Perfect fitment. And that should hold you tight. It's real tight.
Putting the gaskets for the rain sealant. Bumper is basically almost on. Let me scoot all the way back here. Yeah, bumper's almost on. Just one more bolt. All that's left is the clips for the radiator cover, and we're done, huh?
Bro, it's set, ready to go.
The bottom needed. The bottom.
The bottom. So he has special requests. We're just slight adjustments on the side skirts. And
installers couldn't do it.
oh, the installers
At the
couldn't
other
do
shop.
it. He got a diffuser, not from us though.
They didn't get installed from us, no.
Not from us. But the third brake light isn't functional. We're gonna do that right now. He already took off the plastic trim right here. Check out his back setup though. He got the cups on deck. Tell him about the fenders, fool.
Look at the fenders, bro. Look at that fitment. What else can you say, bro?
It's sticking out.
Yeah.
See their opinions?
It looks great. Cargo.
Cargos. But yeah, with the vents, hood, vents everywhere, see-through hood, blitz bumper. We do have two different types of bumpers. So we have our blitz one, which what he has, and we also have our impulse bumper. We're fixing all the fuck-ups from the last installer. What they fuck up on this one?
They didn't put in no screws, nothing. But he got it at another shop. It wasn't over here. It was at some other shop, so.
Yeah, not Southbay. We do not bullshit.
I still love you though, E-Shop. I still love you.
Well, they fuck up on the diffuser.
They didn't wire right.
They didn't wire it right?
Nah, you know.
Man.
I'm not. I mean, like, I'm not gonna say like they fucked
Hey,
up.
I ain't sharing that shit.
I'm not gonna say they fucked up. But I just,
When you do come to Southbay, you might as well have us install everything because we know what we're doing. We don't want you going to a place or like, oh, my homie knows how to do it. Don't do that. Come to us, pay the labor.
Drive the extra 20 miles, get it done right.
Exactly.
No, it's lined up. But I'm saying like the gear.
Just like that, full carbon front end fenders on with the hood. We didn't even ask, where's the hood from?
CMST.
There you go. The little see-through.
hey, you should put a Capri Sun on that, eh? That's
Huh?
a Capri Sun. That's a Capri Sun.
Capri Sun.
I'm sponsored.
Blitz bumper. We fixed his side skirts, more secure. Was the trunk from us?
Yeah, the trunk's from us.
Trunks from us. And we fixed his diffuser, third brake lights. Good now, right? Yeah.
The wheels, that's just.
Fenders from us.
His wheels are in the works. These are stocks. Where's your wheels at?
They're in the process of getting refinished right now.
Refinished. There you
Yeah,
go.
stay tuned.
So, whole build, just don't mind the wheels.
Peep the rear stock still levitating off the ground in the back.
Man. But yeah, man. This is another episode, Southbay.
On a Monday.
On a Monday. We'll see you at the next install.
Adios.